All right, boys and girls, here we go. Day number 9 of our December daily math. Number 1, round 745 to the nearest 100. Hold on, wait a minute. I look back at number 2 on day 8. Did you notice that? That said round to the nearest 10, correct? Same exact number. This time we're going to round to the nearest 100, okay? So we're going to put a box around the 100, which is at the 7. And then we're going to look next door at that 4. All right, so 745. We hear one of our answers right away, 700. 745. One more than 7 would be 8, so it's either 700 or 800. Now we look next door at the 4. And the saying is 4 or less, let it rest. It is a 4. So 4 or less, we're going to let it rest. Our answer is 700. Okay, what is the product of 5 and 4? Product is the fancy way to say what's the answer of 5 times 4, right? It's a multiplication answer. So 5 4s or 4 5s, 5, 10, 15, 20. Okay. Or 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. Whichever way you want to go. Number 3, number of hours. Taco naps. Taco's probably like my dog and naps a lot. How many hours did Taco nap on Monday? So Monday I see goes right here. And it's right in between the 2 and the 4. What number comes between 2 and 4? 3. That's right. And then let's look at Wednesday, way up here in this line, and that's a 6. So that's a M for Monday, T for Tuesday, W's for Wednesday, TH for Thursday, F is Friday, okay? And Friday, Taco naps 4 hours. There you go. All right, write the numbers 100 less and 100 more than 324. So again, here's our hundreds column. What is 1 less than 3? Yeah, 2. Okay. So 100 less than 324 would be 224. 1 more than 3 would be 4. So 100 more would be 424. Notice the 24 stays the same in each. It's just the hundreds that go 2, 3, 4. They kind of go right up, right? 1 less, 1 more. All right, draw a line to make this shape into 2 rectangles. Label them A and B. Okay, you can do this many ways. I'm just going to kind of complete that line right there. Okay? Now it's asking us, what is the area of rectangular A? That means how many of these squares are there in the middle? Okay? So we can count 1, 2, 3 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that would be like a 3 by 6. 3 6s, 6, 12, 18. Or 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. And this is A. And this one here is going to be B. Okay? And I see B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 by 1, 2, 3, 4. So we can go 5, 10, 15, 20. So the area of B would be 20. Does that make sense? Or we can go through and count them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right. Great job, boys and girls. We'll see you tomorrow for day number 10.